Hey y'all, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, we're doing chicken, and I'm gonna bake it, and I'm gonna season it tonight with Carolina Treet. It's a barbecue sauce that we've used before. I really like it, but I would love to know what flavorings y'all add to your chicken so I can spread my wings a little bit and learn to season chicken in a different fashion. And you know what? Honestly, I try to do it where it's not completely unhealthy, like chicken and gravy, although I love chicken and gravy, don't get me wrong. But when I bake this chicken, I try to keep in mind that I'm trying to watch that for our family. So I'm gonna put these chicken tenders. I love to cook with chicken tenders. They cook quicker and more even than the big breast. So I tend to buy those more often at the grocery store, and Lord knows, everybody and their brother is watching the cost of groceries these days. So I try to only buy what we're gonna use and what we're gonna eat so that I'm not wasting money. Can I get an amen about that? Anyway, I'm gonna pile these chicken tenders into my dish. Give my hands a little wash. And I am going to put this, I had this Carolina Treat in the refrigerator actually. I've used it one time before and just used half the bottle. So I'm going to use the rest of it over this chicken. And I'm going to cover it with tinfoil, and I'm going to bake it on 375 for about 35 minutes. And that'll be good and tender, and then I'll pull it out from the sauce and we'll have Carolina Treat chicken tenders for supper tonight. What are y'all adding to your chicken to season it? In the comments, type that. People love to see that stuff, and it gives people a chance to share their knowledge about what works for them, and then other people can try it. Anyway, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. This is going into the oven, and we'll cover it with foil. As always, thanks for watching the vlog, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care and have a wonderful evening.